Anger over the Ankita Bhandari death case poured onto the streets as the locals on Sunday blocked the Badrinath-Rishikesh highway area in front of the base hospital where Ankita's remains are kept. The administration team tried clearing the jam caused due to the barricading. The masses demanded the post-mortem report of the deceased and capital punishment for the culprits. The development came ahead of Ankita's funeral in Garhwal, Srinagar. Earlier, the family of the deceased refused to perform the last rites as they demanded the handing over of the post-mortem report. "We won't conduct her last rites until her post-mortem report is given. We saw in her provisional report that she was beaten up and thrown into a river, but we're awaiting the final report," said Ajay Singh Bhandari, brother of Ankita. Earlier on Saturday, the Vantara resort in Rishikesh, owned by expelled BJP leader Vinod Arya's son Pulkit Arya, who is an accused in the Ankita Bhandari murder case, was set on fire by angry locals. The body of 19-year-old Ankita Bhandari, who was reported missing a few days ago, was recovered on Saturday from the Chinna Canal in Rishikesh. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami ordered a special investigation team to be formed to probe the case.